Hey everyone, welcome back to the Roman L Show, and today we're on Roblox, we're playing Escape Ronald's Diner, and this is my cousin Christian playing with me, Turbo, C1230, and he's right next to me playing, well, yeah, right there, yeah, see him, guys, subscribe down below if you think you see him. Wait, out there is probably where we have to go, so I know, so, enter at your own risk, come on, this way, bro. You almost there?
Okay, Roman, I'll show.
Yep. And you died? No, you didn't die. Hey, that's my old character over there. Alright, come on. Alright, go down here.
Ow.
Sorry. Alright, we gotta turn these on. Yo, you can't just die. Someone just jumped off. Alright. Wait, oh no, there's a chase coming right up. Alright, ready? I think I know where to go. Get to the vent. So, this is where you gotta go. Oh, I hate the steps. I'm in! Are you in?
Yeah, I made it.
Me too. Alright, come on, let's go. That was actually pretty easy.
I know.
We didn't have to see the jump scare. Oh, I died.
Oh.
I fell off.
I'll wait for you, Roman.
Oh, right there? Okay, just wait for me right there. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Oh. We're going to speedrun through this game so it doesn't take a long time to upload. Why does it talk so fast? I'm talking so fast today. Alright, do you see me?
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, I'm coming.
Mom, I'm losing my voice.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I
Alright,
am.
come on.
That was a close one.
That was actually really close. What are you doing?
Now.
Alright, going into a vent like Poppy Playtime. No. Oh, lasers. Can we go under lasers? No, we have to jump over lasers.
Yeah, we have to jump.
You can't duck or anything in Roblox. Come on. Down we go. Whee! Open the sewer before it's too late. Wait, can we just go in? No, wait. What happens if you go? What happened? Oh, he's after us. Go. Go. Follow the arrows. I think the sewage is open. Oh, yeah, I made it. Yes, he was right there.
I know.
Next to your... Oh, don't go that way. That's the wrong way. Come on. This way. Oh, these are far jumps. Yo, we're going so quick through this game.
Oh,
like,
guys. I thought we're in Tennessee and we're doing...
Yep.
And we're in the movie room.
Yep. And, guys, if you ever work in a Ronald's... If I ever work in a Ronald thing, and, like, he's like, hey, Roman, will you go back and go get the burgers? And I was like, sure, okay. And I gotta go do this to get the burgers. This is by far the... But this is in the sewers, though.
This is fun.
Oh, I thought that was the last one, and I just tried to jump. I tried to skip it, but it was actually 2. Alright, come on. You there? Wait for me, okay?
Yeah.
I'm
gonna
coming.
wait for you at the next one.
By the elevator, you mean? Wait for me in the elevator. I don't know what's going to happen. Just wait. So, are you opening the elevator?
That was a close one. You almost
I know. Are you opening the elevator?
Yeah.
Alright. Up, here we go. Hey, let's both go in the elevator. Oh, we just go right through each other. I want to jump on you. Alright, in here. Wait, I want to go get I gotta get the burgers, though. So, I don't want to leave the sewers. Actually, I do. Whoa! 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 What was that? Ah! Oh my gosh! All right, I'm stuck. All right, let's go.
It's another chase.
Sure. I'll follow the bloody footsteps. Yeah, why not? I'm just gonna follow the bloody footsteps. Yeah. All right. Come on down here.
Hey, Link.
Lincoln, wake up. All right.
I'm playing with Roman in his video.
Where are you? Oh, you just skipped me. How dare you? I'm coming. I'm coming like Ronald, so you better run.
Ow.
You die? No, you almost died.
I know.
We're playing Ronald's Diner, and we're way far in the game.
Yeah, we'll wait for
Be hard.
another elevator.
And more bloody footsteps. Another elevator. Dot. That seems. All right, please don't crash this elevator.
I'm in Roman's video.
Wait, where are you floating? You already floating?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm not even going. Wait, why is it turning all black? Wait. Oh, we made it. Come on. Oh, it was a bathroom. Wait a sec. Look at that. Do you see that in the mirror?
Yes. What is that?
Am I you? Are you me? He's not even in the mirror. That's like in the Papa Pizza. All right, through here, I think. What? Okay, I don't know. Come on, don't get your head chopped off. Come on. Okay, I just got through the second one. I'll wait for you at the end.
I already died.
You already died? Oh, shoot, don't go. I could have gone, actually, right there.
I wish you could jump over it, right?
Yeah, but you can't. I tried that before and you can't. Have you made it?
No.
I made it. Oh, you're at the very beginning. All right, I'll wait for you down. I'll wait for you over here so I can see you. Oh, the next part you can trick so many people. You're almost there. I see you. Come on. Last, only 2 more. Oh gosh, actually 2 more. Yeah, 2 more. Now. I see you. Come on, come on. You can make it. Come on, go, 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 go. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Oh, you made it? Oh, there. Yeesh. Okay.
Don't press the
All right,
buttons.
cause watch, when if there's someone right at the end, you could just like press the button and
Yeah,
kill
I know,
them.
it's funny.
I know it's the best. Oh, don't get your head chopped off. I know that comes up. Oh, you died? What the heck? All right, I'll wait for you on the top. Oh gosh, I almost cut my head. Wait, I fell down and died. All right,
Upstairs.
we're almost there already. This is good. Oh gosh. Oh, you just went right through it for me. All right, wait here. Go. Wait, what the? Move it. We could have gone. Oh, you went? You got it. Wait, I'm coming.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
I want to see you switch.
No, stop.
What are you doing?
I'm going to skip on my brother's face.
I gotta play this game with Roman. I'm in a video.
Yeah, we're making a video. All right, this can't take so long. All right, what's this now? Find the key to open the door. Wait. Oh, search. Search. We gotta search these. It's probably gonna be the last one I get. Oh, it's right there. You got the key? Did you get the key? Do you have it?
What's the door?
Do you have the key?
Yes, I got the key.
All right, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go with you. Wait. Oh, I need the key. Wait. I need the key. There's the key in that one. I just can't get it. Here it is. Grab the key. I got the key. I'm coming. Oh, bear traps. Okay. This is in Ronald's restaurant that I played before. But not the same one. Alright, come on. Ready? Let's go. Ooh, lobby. It ain't an obby without the lobby. That's an old saying, you know. It ain't an obby without the lobby. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. What's here? Oh, it puts you back. You gotta jump into these little corners, I think. Alright. Jump to, just keep going, okay? Don't worry about the corners. Just keep going. I made it. You make it? Yep, you're good. Oh, lava. This is like in the bowling alley.
Let's just play Escape Grandma.
No, this
Why
is
say that?
why we escape grandma. It's not even that fun.
It says Escape Grandma.
I'm playing Escape Ronalds.
It's
I
another-
died. I died.
Oh, you fell?
Yeah, I fell.
I'll wait for you at the last part.
Can you play with me after?
Okay, as soon as I finish this video.
So 15. So.
Alright, question, I think this is the end up here, so I'm just gonna go, okay? Because this is the end, I'm sure. Yeah, it's the end. I saw it on YouTube. Alright. These webs look quite deadly. Alright, just go up like lasers.
Listen to me. I'm still on this.
Oh, I made it! Oh no, I had to run home. If I see the end though. Oh, I know he's chasing me.
Well, I know how to do that.
But I'm making it. Wait, I'm in a tree. Oh shoot, go. Oh, he's right behind me. I see it. I see it. Yes, I made it. You can't get me.
Can you
Ha.
jump back for me?
I'll do it.
Please.
I got to jump in the
I'll
speed
do it.
pad.
Yeah, do it. Fine.
Let's go back.
You do it.
Okay. Oh my gosh, he's coming. What the? What the? All right, I'm in. Yeesh. Turn on the lights again.
What, you restarted?
No, I'm not. Wait, what the? Oh my gosh, he's right there. All right, just kill me. Just kill me. All right, well,
Okay,
guys,
let's
that was it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.